I think a lot of people have said the same thing, and overwhelm is one of them. There's a lot of information that we went through. I love the fact that we went through the schedule for the whole year and how that's going to work out, and that we're going to come up with a plan on to what's the best way to fill up these bays. Because if you can see in the back, we have some bays, but then if you kind of tilt that way, our expansion, we're getting the rest of our building, and there's a wall here. That wall's coming down, and then the rest of it, we're going to be adding a lot of lifts, and we're going to be needing their help to get these lifts filled up.
This year, we're gonna really buckle down and really focus in on your marketing, expand marketing, and get more people into your base and your shop. Stefan he and his team work on European cars. We're in a great area just north of DC, and we're really excited to help you.
Me
So
too.
thank you for having us, and thank you for putting your trust in our team.